Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity Hustle TV. Today I'm also back with another wonderful video. So I want you to go to your browser and search for a platform named what? Opinion Outpost. Opinion Outpost.com. What is Opinion Outpost? This is also a top platform. You can go and start what? Sharing your opinion regarding product you have knowledge of. So you can say get paid for your opinion. That is, by sharing the knowledge you have, they are going to pay you. Get paid for your opinions and rocking rewards by taking surveys in your spare time. How it works, you can see this is their rewards. Their rewards in paper, MasterCard, including Amazon gift card. Just need to join. Sign up completely free and join 2 million happy earners across the globe. It only takes a minute. So this is how the platform looks like. So just click on the top right hand corner, or other way around, you can just join the platform. Try them for free. You can see join. Just click on join. It's going to take you to a place where you have access to join the platform. You have access to join. You can take survey, get paid, earn cash or gift cards. Widest range. It's either paper, MasterCard, GameStop, Nike card, and many more. So how can you now register? Just input your email address, your first name, last name, your zip code, your age, your gender, your password. Then what? You indicate if you are a robot or not. Then you agree to their terms and conditions. So the number 2 platform I will be showing is named mypoint.com. mypoint.com. What is mypoint.com? mypoint.com, this is also a top legit platform you can work for. Just by doing simple tasks, and they're going to pay you. They're going to pay you points. So you can see earn points. Even not just that, you can even earn points on purchase. Let me show you. You can earn points by shopping at your favorite store. Just by shopping at Amazon, they are going to pay you for doing shopping. You earn points on your purchase. You earn points on every dollar you spend. Follow our links and let the shopping begin. Points will be added to your account when your order is reported to us. Download score so you never miss a deal. Can see. Apart from that, you can also get paid to answer survey. Earn points when you share your opinion by completing online surveys. Share your interests and buying habits with leading brands and merchants. So these are top brands. You can just share your opinion regarding this product. Once you share your opinion regarding this product, they are going to pay you. They're going to say join my point for free and get a $10 even bonus today. So just click on join. You input your email address, then your password, then you join now. So they either give you Amazon gift card or Visa card, or gift card and Visa card. So that's just it. Just kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified when I drop some video just like this. Thanks.